I'd like you just all to have a reward from this giving up your Saturday morning. And that is, I want to teach you a hand move, because you can do reflexology on your hands, and therefore you can do it on yourself. Now, lots of people are stressed. Who's stressed? Who's got stress? Yeah, lots of stress. I bet you have too. Yeah. All right then. So, on the hand, on each hand, you've got a diaphragm reflexology line just across below the knuckles on both hands. Now, you all know that your diaphragm is across here, and in the middle is the solar plexus. Now, if you get punched in the solar plexus, you lose your breath, and you get. But when you get stressed, your diaphragm gets tightened up, and your breathing becomes tighter, and you get a bit short of breath, hyperventilating or whatever. And that then starts the heart racing because it's working too hard to get the oxygen. Now, this is a move that I can show you, and please show it to everybody that you meet, because stress is the big enemy, isn't it, really? Everybody that you meet. If you hold up your right hand like that, and your left hand like that, with the thumb sticking out, like that. Okay, now put your thumb on the point below your longest finger on the knuckle. That is the solar plexus reflex point for that hand. Now you swivel your right hand around gently so that you can get a finger onto the same point on the other hand. So you're just touching those 2 points. You can't get two thumbs connecting, it won't work. Okay? So finger and thumb like that. Okay? Like that. Now you can do this anywhere. You don't have to sit with your arms up. Just relax your hands, keep that connection, hold them in your lap. Now close your eyes and take some deep breaths. That is wonderful. There are so many pairs of shoulders that have dropped by at least an inch. Now you can do this anywhere. You can do it in front of your screen if you're at work. You can do it in the car if you're sitting at traffic lights and you're worried about getting to an appointment. Anywhere. Take yourself off mentally for a couple of minutes and do that, and you will really control your stress levels. And I'm seeing someone this afternoon who's rung up 15-year-old daughter, stressed about GCSEs, and he's bringing her this afternoon, and I'm going to teach her that very thing. I've taught it to hundreds of people, going to interviews and exams, driving tests, all that sort of thing, and it really works. But you've got to remember to do it when you get stressed.
Right, thank you.
Okay?